Hello and welcome back to AJM Learn. Today I'm going to show you how to round the corners of your product images and also add a border, because why not? Note this does apply to the new products V2. Check that out if you haven't already. We're going to all be automatically switched to that August 30th, 2025. This is applying to that updated code. I'll make a bigger post on this eventually, but let's get into it. Remember, we post every week, so subscribe if you like our videos. All right, so I'm going to go into my pages down to custom code, custom CSS, and paste this in. So you'll see immediately that these product images are now rounded and they have a border. You can of course adjust any of this as needed, making the border, different color, different weight. You can get rid of it completely if you want. And you can of course change the border radius here if you wanted the corners to be more or less rounded. So that applies to everything. So I'll show you really quick. I set up 2 shops in my little sandbox site here just to show you it's applying to everything. If you want it to only apply to one of your shops, if you have multiple product pages, you can use that Squarespace ID finder or right-click select and find either the collection or selection ID or section ID. I don't think it really matters here. And just add it in front of everything. So now it's applying to only this page. If I click over to shop 2, you'll see it does not apply to that one. All right, I hope that is helpful.